Hello friends, I am Kush Durgi from Belgaum Karnatak State. My pen name is Ankush Durgi. Today I am giving you a special video on Vedic maths by which you can easily understand how to make the squares of numbers which are ending in 5. This is the first Vedic mathematics technique, or you can say the first Vedic Sulabh Sutra. Sulabh Sutra, Sulabh means very easy. So Sulabh Sutra means in English we say that very easy formula. There are 16 Sulabh Sutras and 13 Upasulabh Sutras are in Vedic maths. So this is the first formula, that is called Ekadikena Purvena. This is the Sanskrit word. In simple language or in a simple words, I can explain this like this, that is Ekadikena Purvena. Ekadikena means add 1 to first number. Ek means 1. Adikena means add. Purvena means first number. It means to make the squares of the numbers which are ending in 5, whatever it may be, the number smaller or medium or bigger or biggest, whatever it may be, we can make the squares of such numbers, means the numbers ending in 5, very easily by the help of the first formula, that is called in Sanskrit Prathama Sulabha Sutra, that is Ekadikena Purvena. These are the Sulabh Sutras and Upasulabh Sutras by which we can understand or easily we can solve the mathematical, the complicated or the simple or medium problems very easily. Whatever it may be, the bigger or the biggest numbers. And this is very useful to boost our modern maths or the maths which are for our syllabus in primary, high school and colleges. The modern maths, whatever we study in school, colleges, this is called the modern maths or the syllabus maths. This maths can be very easily understand, or this can be very easily improved by the help of Vedic maths. If you follow the Vedic maths, then you can easily improve your syllabus mathematics or the modern maths very easily. So I am requesting you all, please do not say that or do not think that Vedic maths is not for our syllabus and why should we study the Vedic maths. Remember that by the help of only and only Vedic maths, we can improve our syllabus or the modern maths very easily in a very short span of time. For this purpose, I am making the videos again and again many videos I am also planning to make on Vedic maths. And this maths is very essential also in the all the competitive exams. See that in all the competitive exams, the only answer is needed in a very short span of time, in seconds and minutes. And this is the only mathematical procedure, means the Vedic mathematical procedure, which gives us in a very short time all the answers very quickly. It's not a shortcut, but it's a super fast method. Some say, even many people say that many say that the Vedic is shortcut. No, please, I request you all, you should not think or say that it's a shortcut, but I can say it's a super fast method. So it's a very useful for all of you. I use this method for my all the students and my children and myself also. I use this method. This is a very useful and very fast method. So easily you can use this and you can understand, you can even explain to others, you can follow these all the rules very easily. Please try to follow these all the things, then your mathematics will become the very superior one. Okay, now come on here, how it works and how it is helpful for us, we will understand easily by following these some problems here, how it works and how it gives answers in a very short span of time. Yes, come on here. Let us see that some examples are here given and how we solve them in a very easy method. Yes, come on. There is a first problem, that is the square of 75. How it can be done? By the help of Vedic maths. That is the Vedic formula. First formula, already I explained about first formula. Its very name is that ekadikena purvena, means add 1 to the first number. As here the two numbers, we have to make them in different two groups. Always keep 5 in a second group, means always single number, that is single digit in a second group, and whatever the remaining digits will be there, keep in the first group. But in this case we have only 2 digits, then the first digit means 7, this is the first group, and the 5 is the second group. Then now here add 1 to the first number, ekadikena purvena. Yes, 1 and 7 plus 1, we are getting 8, and do the product of these two, means whatever the number we get and the base number, that is the first number, that is 8 sevens are 56. Next, do the square of second one, means that is 5, that is square of 5 is 25. Okay, now we have the answer, that is square of 75 is 5625. This is the answer. In the same way, I have taken another example here, which is somewhat bigger number. Yes, come on. Now it is in 3 digits. See that 125 and it's a square. Means we are finding the square of 125. As I already explained, that we have to make the groups. According to that rule, the 5 is always in a second group and that is only single digit here. But now in the first group we are getting double digits. Means 1 and 2. Means that is 12. Now here according to our first Sulabha Sutra, Ekadikena Purvena, we have to add 1 to the 12. That is means add 1 here, 12 plus 1. That we are getting 30. Now do the product of 13 and 12. Means 13 12s are, we are getting 1506. Means 156. And again do the square of second. That is 5. 5 square is 25. Means we got the answer for the square of 125. That is 15,625. In the same way, let us see another example, that is the third one. Here in third, I have taken again somewhat bigger and bigger number. Here it is in thousands, means in 4 digits. See that here 1685 square. We have to find the square of 1685. Here also the same rule applies. What that? The 5 single digit should be taken in a single group, means second group, and remaining 3 digits should be taken in the first group, that 3 digits, first group. Now here again the same first rule apply here, that Ekadikena Purvena. Means we have to add 1 here. 168 plus 1, we are getting 169. And now do the product of these two. Then we will get the here answer, that is 28,392. And square of 5 is 25. See that how easily we are doing the products and we are making the squares. Yes, mostly you will find the how this bigger product should be done. Yeah, how this can be done? There is another technique to do the product of these things. By next video you will get that. In another video I will explain how to do the products of bigger and bigger numbers. Not only the product but divisions, addition, subtraction. I am again making many videos for these all things. Okay. Let us come on. Again we will see the fourth example here. Still bigger. See that here. Now it is the number nearly 1 lakh. How it is? 88,885 number. See that the bigger number, 88,885. Now we have to find out the square of this number. Again we have to do the same process, means grouping. The 5 comes in a second group single digit, and the remaining all 4 8s comes under the first group. And according to our first Sulabh Sutra, Ekadikena Purvena, add here 1. By adding 1, we are getting here 8,889, the second number. And now we have to do the product of these two. How it can be done? For this I am giving another video. In that video you will get how to do the product easily. That all procedure you will get there. Okay, come here. By doing this here product, we are getting this bigger number except this 25. And now keep the square of 5, that is 25. See that how the bigger and bigger numbers can be squared, that which are ending in 5, very easily by the help of Vedic techniques. We can understand very easily here. See that here the bigger number we got. Okay, let us see another example, that is the 5th example and the final example for this video. Yes, come on here. I have taken here, so one of the biggest number. See that here it is in lakhs now. See that here 9,99,995 square. How its square can be done? See that here the number now in lakhs. So here in the same way we have to group up these two numbers. The same formula should be applied here. Yes, here the second group is having only single digit, that is 5. Remaining all 5 nines should be taken in a first group. That is 99,999, means 1 less 1 lakh. Yes, see that by adding 1 to this number we are getting 1 lakh. Here second number. Now we have to do the product of these two. See that here it's a very simple. That's 99,999 into 1. Keep as it is. That is 99,999. And keep all 5 zeros after that. Here all 5 zeros. Then at the end keep the square of 5, that is 25. So that the bigger and bigger number, it's one of the biggest number. So in the same way we can make the squares of any number by the help of squares of numbers ending in 5 by the help of Vedic first formula, that is first Sulabh Sutra, that is called Ekadikena Purvena. In all competitive exam we need such techniques or tricks to solve the problems in a very short span of time. There we have to always follow this method. So I am requesting you all, besides your schooling syllabus, means modern maths, please follow the Vedic maths. Then you will get your school maths very easily promoted, or it can be boosted very easily. And this Vedic maths helps you in all the competitive exams, all that in scholarship exams or test, everywhere you get the highest benefit of this Vedic mathematical system. There are so many benefits are there of this Vedic mathematics. Day by day or video by video, you will get those all the ideas how this is the useful for us, and not only for us, for humankind. It's a totally worldwide, it is useful method. It's a very fast procedure, super fast method by which we can easily solve the any type of problem. Any sector of the mathematical world can be covered by the Vedic maths. Some say that it is only useful for some particular sectors or the particular problems. But I can easily say that it's not only meant for any one or two sectors of the mathematical world, but it works in all the sectors of the mathematical world. For that purpose, please try to understand the Vedic mathematics and all its formulas, means Sulabh Sutras and Upasulabh Sutras, by which you can easily improve your all the mathematical system. So I request you all here, please, if you are not the subscriber of my channel, that is Ankush Durgi, please subscribe right now and press the bell button and follow my videos. By liking all my videos, share to your all friends, relatives, students, teachers, friends, neighbors, whoever are in your contact. Please share them all as soon as possible. And please try to follow my all the videos. I am giving the videos in all 4 languages. That all Marathi, Kannada, Hindi, English, in all 4 languages I am making the videos in different subjects. Please try to follow my these all things and spread these all videos at maximum. Okay, I will give you another video, I will make another video for all of you, in which we can make the squares of any numbers. This is whatever we did today, this is useful for the numbers ending in 5. But in next video I am giving you the another rule, squaring rule, that is useful for any number. Okay, let us see you again. Thank you. Namaskar.